guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Sabrina and today's video is going to be an unboxing of this box, which is the ring boxes, and it's a bride-to-be subscription box. If you guys don't know what the ring boxes is, it's like I said, a bride-to-be subscription box that's $39.95 a month. If you do it for longer periods of time, you do get a discount if you buy in bulk, but I do the $39.95. I got my first box last month and I loved it so much. I reached out to them and they decided to send me this box for free to review for you guys, so I'm really excited to be working with them this month. I've already peeked into this box and there's some really great things in here, so I'm excited to share that with you. Let's go ahead and get started. If you guys didn't know, I talked about it in my first video, but I did recently get engaged a couple of months ago. We're finally starting to get into the wedding planning process, so if you guys have any wedding planning videos that you want to see from me, let me know in the comments below and I will do my best to get that out for you. So like I said, this is the box. This is how it comes packaged every month. I think it's super cute. I have already peeked into this, so I apologize, but they package it up so cute. Like, it says congrats, you're engaged, and then you have all these cards on top. They just spend a lot of time packaging it, and that's something that I noticed in the first box too. Super cute. We get all these cards on here, and one thing that I really liked was they do the recipe for date night. So I thought that was really cute because I think that it would be super great for you to have with your partner, your fiance, to have like a little date night or whatever. I thought that was really cute. So the recipes on this card are brown sugar glazed salmon and spinach pesto chicken. Those both sound really good. I don't know if Jacob would like salmon, but those both sound really good to me, so definitely gonna keep those. And then you just have some more cards in here. This card right here for the bride-to-be, it tells you what's in this box. And then because of the theme of this, you've got a little checklist, which I'll talk about a little bit later. The first thing that I'm pulling out of this box is right here, and this is the Clean Your Bling, and it is a wipe to clean your jewelry. This is created by the ring boxes, and it doesn't have a price for this, so I'm not sure. I think they may have gotten rid of the prices on this, but that's really exciting. I go to get my ring cleaned once a month, but this will be nice if I get something on it, so super excited about those. The next thing that I'm seeing here is the To-Go Spa eye masks, and these have 3 under eye treatments. I've been really into skincare lately, so this is really exciting, and this is what they look like when you open it. Super cool. So that's just nice to kind of depuff, get your eyes, your skin looking really great. The next thing that's in this is this super cute candle. I love it so much. It's the Breathe candle, and this has white sage and sea salt combined with base notes of jasmine vines, driftwood, and cedar, which driftwood and cedar are like some of my favorite scents ever, and I just think the packaging on this is super cute. It smells so clean. I'm excited to be burning this in my new home that Jacob and I just bought. I think it's super cute, so very excited about that. The next thing in here is this Miss Sleeping Mask, and this is designed by the ring boxes as well. This whole box, if you guys haven't caught on yet, which you'll be able to tell in a second, is based on the night before the wedding or just a night to relax. So they do have this night before the wedding checklist, which I thought was super cute, and then all this stuff can kind of help you relax and prep for your big day. I think this is super cute and it goes along very well with the next 2 items. The next thing here is the diamond embroidered slippers. This is also created by the ring boxes. These are just something that you can wear, obviously to look cute, and you get a robe in here. I'm just gonna spoil this surprise. I thought that was super cute. I don't really wear slippers a lot, but I do think it would be cute for like an Instagram photo or something like that, just to make yourself be head to toe bride stuff the night before your wedding. I thought that was super cute. And the last thing in here that I think super adorable is this bride satin robe. The way it feels actually feels really nice. And again, I'm not someone who wears robes a lot, but again, I just think this would be super cute the night before your wedding, or even just for an Instagram photo, or maybe even on your honeymoon to wear. You're just gonna feel really cute having all these things that match, that are new and that are custom to you being a bride. You could even wear this while getting ready for your wedding. I don't know, I just think it's really cute. And this was designed by the ring boxes as well. Altogether, I'm really excited about this box. I think it would be really cute for getting ready, even for your wedding, the night before your wedding, or just for like a relaxing night at home, or even on your honeymoon. There's just so much you could do with this, and you don't have to wear these on a specific night or all together. You can obviously use these forever, but I just think this is so cute, and I'm really excited to have these to be able to share for pictures and for the day that I get married to my husband. That's everything that I got in my ring boxes this month, and I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. If you guys want to get the ring boxes for yourself, check the link in my description to get some money off of your first box, and head over to theringboxes.com to sign up for your subscription. I've really been loving this box, and I hope that you guys are enjoying these unboxings. Let me know if you guys have any wedding planning video ideas that you want to see from me in the comments below, and I will talk to you later. Have a good one, guys. Bye!